Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Forester tail light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, which is typically a 7440 or 7443 type. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Let's get started by preparing the work area and gathering our essential tools. Now, let's access the tail light bulb. Inside the rear hatch, you will find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws securing the tail light assembly. Carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. Be sure to disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab, allowing the assembly to come completely free. With the tail light assembly removed, replacing the bulb is straightforward. Locate the specific bulb socket for the burnt-out light. Twist this socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Then, firmly insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it is seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to the tail light assembly. Carefully align the assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Turn on your vehicle's lights and check the brake lights and turn signals to confirm the new bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.